Hello, first I would like to say world peace is possible. It is simple really. Our idea is to create the largest art installation ever, to be installed not in some physical location, or even in cyberspace but rather within the consciousness of every person on the planet, a sort of gates of the mind. Each person will hold a flag in his or her mind, which collectively will change the history of the world. The flag is "I declare world peace," expressed in the language of the thinker. Over the coming weeks, months and years, people will be gently encouraged to type the affirmation "I declare world peace" on walls of their various and favorite social media, such as Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn and so forth. I declare world peace. Peace is not merely a distant goal that we seek, but a means by which we arrive at that goal. Please post "I declare world peace" on the wall of your favorite social medium.